Hi, it's Austin with DS Dad with the boat Stormy Monday. It is August 23rd, 2023. It's your after video. It's extremely low tide right now. I did get underneath your keel. I did get all that stuff. You're probably just not going to be able to see it in the video due to the mud stirring up. But let's go have a look at it and we'll get you the best video I can for you. Okay, so this slack tide, I think right now, the current's not pushing it. I've given it like 10-15 minutes to settle down there. But your speedo's doing good. I got all your through holes. Got around where the rudder meets the hull and turns and all that stuff. Got your prop nut, etc., etc. Water line's looking good. Once again, always a pleasure. Thank you for choosing DS Dad.